everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I'm here to share week 20 for Penny's open collaboration hashtag deck the year. Penny is the host, and she is at Penny's Crafty Creation here on YouTube. If you don't know who she is, I'll link her down below so everybody can go check her out. So I'm finally on track with my altered playing cards, and I am here today. This is week 20, and I'm doing a really quick coffee themed coffee themed card today with a cupcake from Dollar Tree. This is a like a latte or just a cup of coffee. I love these wooden veneers from the Dollar Tree, and then these are from a different not stamp set, but sticker set. They're like little coffee hearts, coffee bean hearts. So, and then these are papers from my stash that I just layered, and I wanted to keep this exposed. So that is week 20, May 16th, 2024 for Deck the Year. So I'm hopefully going to continue to craft. I miss crafting. Oh my gosh, I've been so busy. But yeah, hopefully I'll be back on track and crafting again. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.